one pastor wey dey jogodo woman for inside church. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, make you go subscribe. May you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news wey dey come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. Area does scatter, my darling people. And they always they tell una say some pastors see now then they call themselves, no be God they call them. Because they will come like to us saying that God now he call them. How can one armed robber we don't rob finish because say na pastor he can be? I know say God fit use anybody but some na lie. God not call them because they don't look and say it be like saying that this pastor way na money can dey now. Many of them can go enter. They come they say na God na he call them. They come they lay that their year and they put am for person head, my darling people. This pastor so he don't tell when they don't suspect and say this man they jogo women for his church there. You understand? But they be never really cash am. Before this one, Anna, you know, say they say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. This pastor don't do tire. He don't do jogodo different women for that church. Before God can finally say no, today that go be the end. This pastor, I said on top of altar for church. Now this pastor they jogodo they knock the woman for back. They knock him. He they do am. The woman they say don't do. He said no. He they knock him. Now the woman husband. Now people just be like say he don't say when they suspect them. So it was like a setup where be say the man comes off free hide. He come they look them. Now so inside church now they tell now so. Now so the man say run later inside church, catch them, beat the pastor not be small. He deal with her not be small, my darling people. What did this word they turn it to? If not be say that video and YouTube not go like am, I for put the video here more see what I dey talk about. But I not go feel put am. But anybody when need a fee contact me, I will send them for them. My darling people, because this pastor they need. If the whole world need to expose this pastor, is a very fake man, naughty man. How can a pastor go fit do this kind thing for your church, my darling people? If now you where they watch me now, this kind man you go fit still marry him. This kind Ugbeke man where we say he go the jogodo woman for inside church, but not the way person not go see for this social media, not the way Musa not go see for gate. Now wow, some people did this word people did this word like seriously. A pastor the jogodo woman for inside church. This will not be joke. I say they knock the woman from back. All those the doggy style, not be doggy style now they call them. He just they give them. And now the woman husband take come cash am. You go surprised now say this woman not they give your husband that kind of style. You can't they give pastor. What is this word they turn it to, my darling people? What is this word they turn it to? Me I don't understand. A pastor. God no go call you now. When I go say God don't call you now. Whereas now una call una self. Now una call una self. My darling people. This kind thing good now. This kind thing good for EA. This kind thing is good for EA, my darling people. Very any people. Any people. The thing shocked me. It shocked me. Pastor, the jogodo woman for inside church. My darling people, in fact, I did this one at the highest. No, not say we not the year say pastor the jogodo woman, so we not the see for video. This one show like it clear, like seriously. Let's say not to a person not go see for social media, but this is a bully way with this so. Not to a person not go see. Oh, thank God for Facebook. where e be say we come to dey see everything. Let me say this bad thing e be don dey happen for inside the world before. That time wey Facebook never dey. My ogbonge people o. I go put the video, I no go fit put am, but I go send am for anybody wey need am sha. My number dey my YouTube there, so you can just look for my number there. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.